Okay guys, shop tip. I'm going to make a customised hand brush for cleaning stuff down like table saws. So every now and then you get one of these thrown in the bin. Nasty old thing, no good to anyone. Let's see what we can do with it. Okay guys, if you can't see, these Okay guys, I've pulled out some of the loose ones. It's a mess. I could put some tape around it, I suppose. I could just give it a good sanding and use it. I'm going to try putting some CA glue on there. Kind of defeats the object of having a free broom, spending money on glue, but there you go. We'll see what happens. Because I've sealed the bristles with some CA glue, rubbed it down, done that a few times, and yeah, it's come up quite nice. The beauty of this is you can make a narrow brush, a small brush on the end of a long stick. You will make it suit any machine that you need to clean down. I might put a hole in the end of here, hang it up, and yeah, there you go. One very cheap customised machine brush. I'll put some oil on that actually, or paint. So there you go guys, a customisable broom. Cut it up any way you want. Cut it to fit a specific machine, leave it hanging on the side, and it's cost you very little money. I hope that's useful for some of you, and yeah, cheers for watching.